Hey there, Erica Swarthy Daisy. Quick look at the ZTE Z233VL by Tracfone. So this phone was purchased at Best Buy for $19.99, and my mom actually wanted a simpler phone that actually needed a little bit more voice output, so this is kind of the reason why I got it, and it's easier to use. But this is just a look at what came in the box. You see that's the back cover. You already saw the device. This is the actual battery and charging cord. Okay. The charging brick. And then, of course, all of the paperwork and the activation information. So this is just a quick look at the apps that come on the phone. So starting from the beginning, the first app is the camera. Then you have gallery, contacts, recent calls, messages, calendar, clock, multimedia, browser, tools, settings, and file manager. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Erica Swarthy Daisy. Bye.